How to add payment method on Lyft. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can add a new payment method on Lyft. Well, the process is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Simply open up your Lyft application, and here you should get an interface of somewhat like this. Now once you open the app, you'll get the interface similar to this as well. Simply tap on the three horizontal line icon or the hamburger icon that you can find at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you tap on it here, this will pop up from the left hand side of your screen. You can see my profile, and under it you can see various different options. Now what you want to do is you want to simply tap on the payment option that you can see above the rewards option or below the ride history option. Once you tap on payment option, you can see payment methods, and under payment methods you can see add a payment method option. Simply tap on it, and once you tap on it here, it'll ask you how would you like to pay, and it says bank account, credit or debit card, or PayPal or cash. Simply tap on payment method that you wish to add. You can either tap on bank account and then enter in your bank account details, and you can either add credit or debit card by tapping on credit or debit card and enter in your card details, or you can either add in your PayPal. So once you do this, you'll be able to add it. So this way you can add payment method on Lyft. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.